Sa starting price na 21,990 pesos, may AMOLED display, may periscope zoom, at flagship vibes. Pero sulit nga ba talaga siya? Ito ang bago nating Phone 4a. Let's go! Unang tingin pa lang, panalo na agad. Clean, minimalist, at syempre nandyan yung signature Gleep lights ng Nothing. Dagdag pa dito, may IP64 dust and splash resistance, so hindi ka basta-basta kakabahan sa alikabok at konting talsik ng tubig. Ang display naman solid. May 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 4,500 nits peak brightness. Perfect ito for binge watching at gaming. Premium feel kahit mid-range price lang. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset, meaning mabilis, efficient at kayang-kaya ang daily task. Smooth sa multitasking, kaya ang heavy games like COD, at ML. Walang lag kahit maraming apps. Plus, malinis ang experience dahil sa Nothing OS 4.1. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-highlight. 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, malinaw kahit gabi. 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, digit zoom shots. 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, sakto for group pics. At meron siyang 32 megapixel selfie camera, malinaw for content creators. Kung mahilig ka sa photography, this is a big win. Meron siyang 5,080 mAh battery capacity. Buong araw usage, no problem. With 50 watt fast charging, mabilis mag full charge. Hindi ka bibitinin sa long usage. Meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, OTG, and USB Type-C. Kompleto na sa essentials. Kung gusto mo ng kakaibang design plus balanced performance, malupit na camera sa mid-range, sulit na sulit to. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, make sure to like, subscribe, at comment kung worth it ba para sa'yo ang Nothing Phone 4a. See you sa next tech review. Maraming salamat!